Right guys, we've got you here at Twickenham's answer to Cape Canaveral, and we've got a rocketry challenge for you. We've got 2 sets of water pressure rockets. You guys in 2 teams have got to launch your rockets, and the winners will be the people that get the rocket into the air for the longest.
The bottles are the rockets. The water is the rocket fuel. There's only one way for that rocket fuel to escape, and that's down at the bottom. As it jets down at the bottom of the rocket, your spaceship will go right up into the sky.
You've got T-minus 5 minutes, and go!
Go, 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 go. So we're going for this one. Spins are on, nice. Yeah, that's right. Rip it in half. Alright. And then the like explodes with his name. Take it up.
Grab the squiggle box, stick it around and just do it like this guy. Roddy's first time bowling the rockets. Get extra points for a UT and the B.
And stop rocketing!
1, 2, 3.
Boom, we win! Boom time! You go first. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Go! You got it! You got it! You got it! Oh! 3 seconds and 66 milliseconds. That's a beautiful launch. Slow and steady, nice and steady.
Oh, it's good, it's good!
What? That's 3 seconds and 25.
It went further!
You still got the water in it.